How to fix your Fitbit Inspire tree not charging. So one of the first things you can do is to check the charger connection. So you can align the pins on the charging cable with the gold contacts on the back of the Inspire tree, then gently press it into the charger until it snaps in and a battery icon should appear when it starts charging. Next, you can try cleaning the charging contacts. So you can wipe the gold contacts on the back of the tracker and the pins on the charging cable, since Fitbit does say dust and debris can build up on the device and can stop it from charging properly. Next, you can try a different USB port or wall charger. So plug the charger into a USB port or a UL certified wall charger. Fourth, you can leave it for around 30 minutes when it's charging. If the battery is fully drained, the screen may stay blank at first, so Fitbit does recommend leaving the device plugged in for at least 30 minutes if the battery is really at 0%. Finally, you can restart the Fitbit while charging. So keep the Inspire tree connected to the charger, then try restarting it. And if it still won't charge, you can try drying the device completely and check for damage and contact Fitbit support even if the issue continues. But those are a few things you can put in mind if your Fitbit Inspire tree isn't charging. So hopefully this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.